Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. While the oven heats, prepare the cabbage. Discard any loose or damaged outer leaves, and then slice the cabbage into 1-inch thick slices from top to bottom. Keep the core intact. It's the secret to holding these lovely cabbage steaks together. Once you've sliced your cabbage, it's time to season. Position the cabbage steaks on a baking sheet and brush them generously with olive oil on both sides. Sprinkle with salt and pepper for that perfect flavor balance. The olive oil not only adds a rich flavor, it also helps the cabbage caramelize in the oven, giving it a delightful, slightly sweet taste. Now, let's send those cabbage steaks into the oven. Roast them for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until you see the edges turning crispy and the centers becoming tender. If you want an even cook, consider flipping them halfway through the baking time. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.